That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
Hey Kings and Queens, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be shaving my face at home. Yes, I am a hairy little munchkin, y'all. Alright, so I'm just giving you a close-up of what my face looks like. I do shave my face every 2 months, and this is a close-up of what it looks like fully grown out, all that peach fuzz. And I know, y'all, I'm just so hairy. And what you want to do first, I do clean my tweezers and my razor with some alcohol wipes. And then my face is already clean. I'm just showing you what it looked like, beauty in its purest form. And I just clean it with some makeup remover. Alright, right here in this clip, I was just trying to show you the steam from the towel, but it wasn't picking up on camera. So what I'm going to do is steam my face because you want your hair to be soft and your pores to be open. And what shaving your face does is like exfoliates your skin, basically. Remove the little dirt and everything off your skin. And what I do is I do go in and I pluck my dark hairs first, and because you don't want them to grow in darker or thicker than what it is. And I use vitamin E oil and I just put it on my face, and then girl, you just go to work. I do shave downward and I pull my face tight, like you just stretch your face out because you don't want to cut yourself. I did cut myself. And just a disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is just what I've been doing for the last couple of months. And my hair has not grown back thicker. It's just, it just makes your face look so much brighter and smooth without that extra peach fuzz all over your face. And if you're not hairy like me, you ain't got to worry about it, sis. You one of the lucky ones, okay? But me, I do, this. I just started not too long ago. It's been like maybe 4 months or 5 months since I've been doing this, but I have actually seen a difference. Like when I do makeup videos, I always make sure my face is shaved or less hairy than normal because I want my makeup to do come out smooth. I just want to say, be careful doing this, you guys. Take your time. Do not rush it. Make sure you have a decent blade or razor you're using. Do not use one of those cheap razors because I do not want you walking around having nicks all over your face. And yeah, and this is how my face looking like. You can tell it looks brighter. I'm so cute, right? Okay. And then I'm going to take the alcohol wipes and just wipe off any excess hair that got left on my face. And yeah. Alright, after that, I'm going to be using some body polish. I use it for my face from Bath and Body Works. And it's just an exfoliating scrub. It's gentle. And I just use that so I won't get any ingrown hairs. And yeah, you're going to rinse that off. So after I do the scrub, I go in with aloe vera gel, and it just helps soothe this out, the inflammation that I have or the redness that I have from shaving and the scrub. And then I'm going to go in with a facial moisturizer and tea tree oil and put that all over my face. And alright, thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to like and comment. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.